Within the project, we also had technical advisory groups. So these were formed in each country as well as globally. Members of government, members of civil society, women's rights organizations, as well as NGOs, UN agencies, etc., so that these stakeholders were part of the process and felt ownership throughout and supported the design, the analysis, and the dissemination, and also so that we were learning from other initiatives around SCA, and we were able to share our learning as well and inform them. So it was a very dynamic group, and very important too when we think about not just the research and what we found, but how we made sure those findings were put into action.
COSMES is a women's rights organization. From the inception when this project started to the time the tools were developed, to the time the assessment, the research was carried out, even when they shared the findings.
The role of the technical advisory group was mainly to provide review and input on the project design and the safety protocol, to do more this technical oversight on the project, to give kind of feedback on the findings. And most importantly, I think it was really our role in committing in sharing the findings of this participatory action research with the relevant working group, with WASH, CASH, and Food Assistant Working Group, and also to share it internally within UNICEF.
Our role was to revise all kinds of tools from a gender perspective, and always keeping in mind that all kinds of VOW, SEA protection and prevention mechanism are clearly taken into consideration into these tools.
I was engaged in the different steps of the project, including reviewing the existing clues, providing feedback on the reports, and particularly supporting the dissemination of the outcome among UNHCR staff members, particularly the 17 focal points, SEA focal points that we have across the operation between the branch office and the field offices. With thanks to the team, we also had the opportunity to reflect a little bit around the findings. And I can say that all in all, I was fully engaged, and there was a lot of openness to invite not only myself but also participants from other agencies and organizations to come and share thinking, experience, and some analysis around the issue of SCA linked particularly to the provision of aid.
We actively participated in reviewing the tools that were used to collect data at the refugee setting and point of distribution.